mayamang buhay, mga kaibigan. This is going to be chapters 18 to 22 of the book Why We Want You to Be Rich. Kaninang umaga po, while I was trying to make the videos, I was sidetracked by what happened to Attorney Lopez and VP Sara. So I was trying to capsulize the lessons in these 5 chapters. And ang unang pumasok po sa akin, sa aking notes, is ang tanong ni President Trump. What do you want in life is up to you. And what do you want in your life now? Hindi po kayo maniniwala, much as I do not want to be disturbed by what is happening around us. I wasted 6 hours of my time today just watching what happened to Vice President Sara Duterte. May nakita po akong specific lesson dito na sabi ni author Robert Kiyosaki. You cannot ride a bike by reading the book. Meaning, hindi rin po kayo magiging mayaman agad or lalago ang buhay nyo just by listening to these videos. Ang sabi po niya, kasi piloto pala siya sa Vietnam War, si Robert Kiyosaki, he said, combat is the ultimate test of will and training, and only one pilot comes home alive. So, si BP Sara, diba? She's very precise. Gustong-gusto siya ng mga tao. Because napaka-precise niya. Pareha sila ni Tatay Digong. At saka yung instinct and temper niya napaka-extraordinary. Nakakalungkot when there is this principle of Aristotle which says we are what we repeatedly do, and excellence is not an act but it is a habit. Nako, magre-repeat na naman yata ang history. At ang sinaluduhan ko kay VP Sara, yung latest na press con niya, when she said salamat tungkol sa pagpunta na naman sa street or another EDSA revolution, but I don't think it is not an answer to what is going on. Diba? Nakita niya kasi matalino si President Duterte at saka yung anak niya nakita nila na walang kinahihinatnan ang people power revolution na yan. It does not change the kind of governance that we have. So, ang defining moment natin, inaantay na lang natin ano bang gagawin pa nila sa susunod to make the Duterte's cruise over. Kasi sobrang-sobra na, diba? Sabi ni President Trump, life is a rip-off if you don't want, you don't get what you want. So, pakahayaan lang ba ng mga Duterte ang ginaganito lang sila? So, if winning was not important, people would not keep a score. So, alam natin gusto nating manalo pa rin ang mga Duterte, di ba? The 32 million. So, we want for a ready optimal performance in the same manner na yan ang gusto natin sa buhay natin before we die. Hindi tayo ganito na lang na palagi. In summation, sa chapters 18 to 22, sabi ni President Trump, review on your skills. Saan ka ba nakatira, location? Ano bang inclination mo? Ano bang competencies mo? Ano bang gusto mo? Gusto mong maging manager? Gusto mong maging gusto mo sa buhay mo? So, in that, you will be able to multiply and learn how to rise above the normal condition that you have, di ba? So, ang pinakagusto ko dito ay hard work, repeated practice, teamwork with other people, at self-control. Yun lang siguro ang kailangan ni BP Inday. Kasi saludo nga ako sa pinaka-latest niya. Alam kong nagtitimpi siya eh. Kaya lang sometimes when nasobrahan na, mag-blow up na siya. Remember, when you blow your cool, mawawala po tayo sa atin. And she needs to have spare time studying more. Kasi tingnan mo, 'di ba? Hindi nagre-react si BBM eh. They're controlled. They are trained talaga sila na preparado sila sa mga ganitong mga politics. So let us see, and I hope kahit mahinahon po tayo, let us just watch. And thank you for listening. Yun po ang highlight ng 5 chapters. The Fear in God, sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki about the faith. Silang dalawa, ang faith sa Diyos ang naggabay sa kanila. And the parable of the 3 talents, na kwento na yung isa ay binigyan ng marami na pera na ibalik ng 100 folds. Yung isa naman ay ibinalik lang na may konting kita. Yung pangatlo, ibinaon niya ang talento niya sa ilalim ng lupa. So, ang sabi ni Bible ay much is given, much is expected. Kaya tingnan mo yung mga rich people, they give donations and then they are really responsible about their lives. Ang poor naman, ang sabi doon sa culmination ng Bible is to those who have less, kasi di ba nagalit si Master bakit hindi pinalago at ibinaan sa lupa ang talent ng third worker. So even that will be taken away from you. Ibig lang sabihin, kung tayo ay wala nga, ang lifestyle natin, nasa poverty line na nga tayo, hindi tayo nag-aspire, na normal naman ang utak natin na mag-aspire to become better in life, kukunin pa yun kasi nakukuha yun, wala tayong health, hindi tayo makapag-observe ng tamang pamumuhay. So much is given, much is expected, but even those who have nothing or less will be taken away. Ganun po ang Biblia. Enter the joy of the Master, sabi ni Master, kung nung ibinalik na sobrang marami ng yung pinahiram na una, na pinamultiply niya yung kanyang talent. With that, I close by saying we have chapters 23 to 29. balikan po natin yung mga chapters 1 to 22 kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag this sense of mastery, self-confidence, and the respect of time of other people. Kasi yun nga sabi ko, pareho ang time. Sabi ni President Donald Trump, I don't want to let people be waiting for me. And in the same manner, I want people to respect my time. Thank you for the time listening to this. Wag po natin masyadong bombahan ng ating... Ako nga, meron na nga akong sanang mastery sa ganun. Nakakarindi po talaga pag nanonood ka sa mga negative na media, kahit hindi negative, pero totoo naman talaga yun na ginaganon at saka yan ang nangyayari sa ating buhay ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. Nakakalungkot, pero sometimes we need to shy away from that kasi nawi-withdrawhan po tayo ng energy pag alam mo yun, galit na galit ka na rin, di ba? Ako kahit napaka-stoic ko sa mga ganyang nangyayari, parang nakakalungkot na may mga ganong nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon. Katatapos lang ni President Trump na 2 beses or 3 beses na siyang gustong patayin ng assassin sa election nila. Sana walang mangyari sa mga sinasabi na gusto na ring patayin si BP at re-resback din siya. With that in mind, may the force of the universe be upon you. And really thanking for those who are new, subscribing, and for those who are old, coming back to listen. Let us be excited. Ang susunod ko pong topic ay the book of Norman Vincent Peale, yung The Law of Positive Thinking. Na-shock po ako while I was reviewing this book. Ay, yung tatay pala ni President Trump ay magkaibigan ni Norman Vincent Peale. Yung isa rin yung na libro kung paano ko, kasi napaka-negative ko noon dahil I was raised by a father na napaka-negative ni tatay. Parang hindi ka pwedeng gumanon kasi ganito. Kahit sa pag-aral, yung kuya ko, he passed the UP, hindi rin pinayagan kasi ayaw sa mga leftist at mga drugs so I said hindi ko na overcome until such time that I had been exposed to reading those positive motivational books. So I think that would be the next topic or book that I will be sharing in review with you. I love you guys. I really thank you. 1,300 plus na po yung aking subscribers. At saka dalawa lang po yung nagko-comment. Sana i-comment nyo naman ako para do not be afraid to tell me anong gusto nyo marinig at para naman ako yung mag-improve din. I love you guys. May the force of the universe be upon you all. And let us return here together and engage for the last. Sana may capsulize ko talaga. Kaya lang hindi pwede. Okay. Chapters 23 to 29, sana matapos ko in a last episode. I could not really make the 11 chapters in one setting. Bye-bye!